Good morning, world. Today is March 29th. Exactly 1 week left for my Miami trip, and I decided to make a video on what I carry in my luggage and maybe just a little vlog as to how I got ready for my trip. Enjoy. Alright guys, so we are ready on our way to do everything I have to do during the day. As you guys know, I am forever busy. I have my main job and I have so many little side gigs that I do. Today being Thursday is one of my days off. I today have to go to court for an improper signal, turn signal thing, whatever. So we're gonna go to Primark, hopefully, which is one of the stores that I'm dying to go to prepare for Miami. When I lived in Massachusetts, it was the one store that had absolutely everything for an amazing price. So I want to see what the one in New York has in store. All right, we've made it to the DMV. Wish me luck. And hopefully we can get out of this one quick so that we can do what we have to do the rest of the day. Okay guys, we're back and I won the case. Now I shall go to Primark. I'm excited. I'm going to Primark and I'll show you guys the beauty of a store that store is. Hi guys, good morning. It is Friday, March 30th. Today we're going to continue the Miami prep. First we're going to go get some eyelash extensions. Then we're going to go forward and do a bikini wax. But yeah, I'm going to go get a bikini wax. It's going to be my first time ever. So yeah, I'm excited. And probably hit the gym. See you later. Walking twister.
Si tú estuvieras románticamente, ahí.
So we are done. Look at these beautiful lashes. They're so pretty. I am absolutely in love with it. The experience with my first bikini wax had got to be the best. I was terrified at the fact that it was gonna hurt so bad. I am such a big chicken with pain. It did sting. I'm not gonna lie, it did sting. But she did it so quickly and so efficiently that I didn't feel anything. Then when we went to eyelashes, that one took a little bit longer. I didn't feel absolutely anything. That eyelash extensions was something that I have actually no idea about. I just saw somebody on Instagram who actually did it with herself, and I kind of just wanted it. It looks absolutely natural. So I'm gonna put her Instagram link on the top here so you guys can, if you guys are in New York or ever come to New York, definitely reach her. She's amazing. Again, she's amazing, and she doesn't only do that, she does everything. So she does eyelashes, she does eyelash extensions, she does
buffering, she does massages, she does facials, she does waxing full body, she does what else does she do? She does massages for like lifting your butt, she does massages for fat burners,
she does everything. She is super good. I loved it. and start pairing it up with shorts, pants, anything.